Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking in the essentials: fabric, thread count, and printable surface. Those dictate ink and heat settings. Once you have measurements, export your pattern at one in vector or high-res PDF so scaling stays exact. Then pick transfer paper and inks rated for DTI and your printer's 300-600 DPI range. While you print a small test, note seam allowances and grain lines. This front-loading saves reprints and keeps colors accurate when you move to the next step. Now print a full-size transfer and run a test patch to confirm color and registration, adjusting the ICC profile as needed. Once colors match, position the design on each dress piece and secure it with low-tack tape. Mark alignment points for accurate seams. Preheat the fabric to remove moisture, then set your heat press or roller to the manufacturer's specified temperature, time, and pressure. Apply even pressure during transfer and let the piece cool before peeling to avoid ghosting or misalignment. Finish by trimming transfer edges, stitching seams, and heat-setting threads per yarn specs so the print integrates with the fabric. After assembly, run a wash test on one sample using the recommended cycle to verify adhesion and color fastness. If you see lifting, fading, or misregistration, troubleshoot. First adjust temperature by 10 degrees, then increase pressure or refine the ICC/profile and reprint a test. Finally, document the successful settings for repeat runs so you don't need to reinvent parameters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.